we would like to invite Dr. Raghunandan Jagdish, MD and CEO, Nandan GSE Pvt. Limited. And he leads a dynamic team of 250 high performers who solve customers' material handling problems in aviation, aerospace and defense and manufacturing industry. Bespoke solutions as well as high-quality products backed by reliability and after-sales service to improve the customer productivity. Performance and safety is the calling card of Nandan GSE. And today he is going to present on innovative material handling solutions for the rail and the metro industries. So let's put our hands together and welcome Dr. Jagdish.
Good afternoon, everybody. My name is Raghunandan Jagdish, and I'm here to showcase to you some innovative material handling solutions that can be used in the railways and the metro industry. So that, in short, is all of you. It doesn't just include the end user, that is the railways or the metros, but also the people who manufacture for the railways and the metros. So here we are. So basically, Nandan is a 33-year-old or a 33-year young company based on improving the quality of mankind so that you can do better work rather than manual handling. We make solutions, that's what we are. We do solutions for aviation, defense, material handling, for industry, different aerospace systems, etc. So this is founded by Mr. J.C. Kumar, the chairman and the founder, and I run it as the MD and CEO today. We have a team of 250 empowered people, a couple of PhDs, multiple MTechs, engineers. Totally we have about 42 engineers out of this team of 250. So we are definitely high on engineering content. We are based in Navi Mumbai, MIDC Turbe, and that's our factories. We are vertically integrated, that is right from design to cutting of metal, welding, putting it together and delivering. We do all of it ourselves. We are AS 9100D certified, that's aerospace standard, almost as at par with the railway standards or maybe a little higher. ISO 91445K certified, of course. We are summer certified for DRDO and defense, and we are also Z Gold. We do our own designing in SolidWorks. So few of the accolades, we've done systems that are used right from the Prime Minister of the country to Mr. Ratan Tata ji to multiple systems all around, and these are few of the testimonials that we've gotten. Safety is important, not just for the systems that we manufacture within our factory, but also for the customers' solutions that we provide. So coming down to the point that, while we talk about railways and metros being growing and a lot of investments happening into it, the efficient material handling could really help you improve your productivity, performance, and safety. These are three important parameters on which you can actually gain profits. So profits don't come just from earning more money, but also from reducing the wastages that you have or eliminating the risk of accidents that you could so have. So enhancing the safety and productivity, these are some of the ideas that we've implemented and we would like to showcase it to you. So Nandan basically loves challenges. So anything that goes in this line, feel free to contact us and we are more than happy to help you there. So heavy and bulky components are there in the industry for sure. There is a lot of space constraint. No matter how much space is available, it's always not enough. Complexity of operations is a lot because one wrong operation could lead to a catastrophic failure at some other point of time. So you need to keep that in mind and run your operations. There is a very high risk of accidents that can happen because of improper handling or the reliability on the human component of your operations. So no matter how much of AI and machine learning you have it, the last and the most important aspect is always going to be the person. So in that aspect, the person's involvement is always going to be helped by better material handling. So some of our custom solutions we've done here, they are. So for first is you have underlifting solutions. So anything up to 40 tons is what we've done, lifted up and down. You can move them between levels, and this enhances your safety and reliability, quick access, multiple different systems can work onto this. turntable for the bogies. So when you want to move them within the space, not just being dependent upon the crane, but also trying to work on systems on the ground, which makes it safer. The crane can be used for the other applications too. You can rotate this by 90 degrees or 180 or even 360. We have a lot of automatic storage and retrieval systems. So there's lots and lots of spare parts. There's lots and lots of components that you need to keep. So while ASRS systems of small capacity of a small bin and stuff is very common, but we've specialized in designing ASRS systems as heavy as 10-ton capacity. So we've designed missile and other loading systems which are used live in the country for loading heavy-duty items as heavy as 10 tons. These are fully automated so that you can utilize your space in a much better manner. So ASRS is a big implementable action point in the limited space that you have. Nandan is synonymous with designing heavy-duty scissor lifts. We've made one of the biggest scissor lifts in India as high as 17 meters high. The black one, which is on the right, it can go to 17 meters and carry 7 tons. The one on the left is one of Asia's heaviest scissor lifts. It can lift 40 tons and can go between 2 levels. We can take a fully loaded truck, container or a railway bogie and take them between levels and you can move them out. So we thrive on bespoke challenges that are given to us. Shunting yard tractors typically have been diesel, but these days converting it into a battery-operated version makes it easier so that you can move them in a very efficient manner. Scissor-mounted scissor systems, which are either working on the road-cum-roll vehicles or can be mounted on the train itself or can be on its own self-propelled versions. All three are available. This helps you to reach heights in a very efficient manner. You don't need a whole big train to come in, but today with battery-operated technologies, you can just get a truck to come in there and from there get it put onto the tracks and just move it place to place. We are also the exclusive sellers for JCB equipment in India for specialized institutional customers. So the battery-operated scissor lifts can reach as high as 16 meters and can carry a payload of about 350 to 450 kgs. This is driven by a joystick by a man on the top. So your maintenance can become very simple. You can reach heights even to the cranes and stuff that you talk about. You can reach without using scaffoldings in a very easy manner. So your enhanced maintenance within your facility makes it easier that in the long term, you'll have a better working factory that runs through. We also make boom lifts. These are articulated, articulated in nature. So you can reach over material and you can maintain, you can clean, you can fix things or you can do assembly too. So this can go up to 16 meters high and is also electric as well as diesel, both versions available. We make in India these knuckle boom cranes. So whatever you have been seeing, we propagate the Make in India theme. It's a 100% Indian owned and Indian operated company, currently family owned but professionally run. So we made knuckle boom cranes for the biggest ones are for the defense, ONGC, railways, etc. So the biggest crane we have delivered is a 42-ton meter crane. This one that you see. So from a distance of 8 meters, it can pick 5 tons. And similar ones can be mounted in any of your existing trucks to multiply your productivity there. You can have automatic coach washing systems. So instead of wasting a lot of water and manpower, you can automate this within your yards. We also have our partners from Spain. They're called DTA. They are one of the world's best automated guided vehicle manufacturers based in Madrid. So we represent them in India and right up to 600 tons kind of automated guided vehicles can be done. These can even be without tracks. So when you see a heavy movement of an article that is done within your factories, you can use that. Locomotive rotators for again moving them between tracks from maintenance in and out. So this is a very beautiful use case in a particular manufacturing factory where there are no rails on the ground that you can see, and the transporters on the bottom, they're lifting the structure itself. This two of them together are lifting in 35 tons, and it is by one person with one joystick is working in a synchronous manner. It can not just move front and back, but it can move left and right. It can move diagonal as well as it can rotate 360 on its own spot. And all this in very, very precise manner, it can be done. Heavy duty transformers up to 100 tons have already been delivered out. So again, the rail traverser makes your operations within the yards simpler there. So this on a concrete road, you can see no need of any rails, but this can move between shops. It can be autonomous. That is, if you program it to move from one yard to another yard, this is automatically going to go. This can detect if there is any vehicle or person in the front, stop, take its own decision to move out. So we are running a few trials with the steel industry where a 30-ton coil, instead of being transferred in a trailer, is being going in an AGV nowadays. So it's times are changing, so AGVs are going to come everywhere. These are some scissor lifts we have done where between levels you can move. This when you want to maintain it, the scissor lift can just go down. At other times, it lifts up and it becomes a continuous track. So instead of just having an underbogie small place for maintenance, you have a full-fledged place for maintenance, and the scissor itself can move. It can lift the wagon entirely and also move it to another track if so required. With the high-tech trains, with the Vande Bharat Express, with whatever we are talking about being global, but even today we have a lot of the catering that happens coming in the blue color crates or the guy carrying trays in his hands. So to modernize this, we also have an aviation division that makes the airline trolleys. We are India's only Atlas grade certified in-flight galley equipment manufacturers, and we intend that the railway should take this up to start standardizing the trolleys within the coaches to take them in. So we are coming on board with this. This can be certified. So as of now, they're DGCA certified. So getting them certified for railways is not very difficult. So in all these segments that we work in, whether it is aviation, defense, aerospace, currently we've gone to 30 countries, 30, and the list is growing. From them, few of the customers are here. Direct supplies made to the armed forces, to the nuclear companies, to the railways, to the metros, to tunneling companies, etc. And of course, aviation, that's where we came from. So we wished for that to grow, and we want all of your logos to come on some of my slides very, very soon. One of my heroes, who's Richard Branson, who's also, changed the game in aviation as well as in railways, said, if someone offers you an amazing opportunity you know nothing about, first and find ways to do it. So whatever is your problem, I, Dr. Raghunandan Jagdish, promise you that we will solve it for you. We are sitting out here. My colleagues Ashish Apte and Ankit will be here for both the days. We are waiting there to listen to your problems so that we can give you innovative solutions. So a little view at where we are. We are based in Navi Mumbai, team of more than 250 people, 100,000 square feet, more than 10,000 equipments delivered. We've saved at least 10 billion rupees for customers over so many years, which we try counting. When the video was made, it was 25 countries. This year I added 5 more. And we are here to serve you in this manner. Nandan.co.in is our website. Nandan.co.in/railways will showcase this presentation also to you, whoever wants to see it later on. And do contact us at any point of time. I think I've taken my time out. Thank you very much.